Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about picking and popping. We've all seen people pick at pimples, pick scabs, and try to remove zits with their nails. Let's look at a couple of examples. We've also seen people pimple pop with their fingers, like this. So which is better for you? Leave your opinions in the comments below. My opinion? Neither. Dirty nails and exposed fingers can cause infection, scarring, and a whole mess of issues. Pinching infected pimples can even push the infection into the bloodstream, and that's super dangerous. Pimple popper tools like the ones Dr. Sandra Lee uses are the best of the best. They limit the spread of infection and make it very hard to leave scars or unnecessary skin damage. Of course, cheap tools are also very bad for your skin, so it's important to pop with a professional dermatology kit. I'll put a link to my favorite below. Now, let's look at a minute or two of some really good pops from around the web. And click like if you are a popping fan. Enjoy.